Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal using a debit card. So guys, if you want to add money to your PayPal using a debit card, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, basically you can add money to your PayPal balance using a debit card by linking the card to your account and selecting the instant transfer option in the app or website. So guys, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply open the PayPal app and log in to your account. So guys, do this, and after this tap your total PayPal balance at the top of the home screen, and after this you have to simply select add money. So guys, add money from your bank or card option will be given there, and after this, if you have not linked your card yet, tap link a card or select an eligible debit card and enter your card details manually or scan it. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer and tap next button, and after this choose the transfer speed option. Select in seconds with debit for immediate availability. So guys, do this, and after this review the transfer details and tap add to your balance or confirm to complete the transfer. So guys, do this, and after this the money will be added to your PayPal account using your card. So guys, in this way you can also add money to PayPal using a card. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.